Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find rentals on OfferUp. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking for different rentals on OfferUp. How do you actually go ahead and find them? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you want to do first is that you want to make sure that your OfferUp app is up to date with the latest version. So make sure that it's up to date with the latest version. And then next, once you're logged in, on the upper hand side, you want to click on rentals. So once you click on rentals, you can see a variety of different apartments offering different rentals. You can filter this based on price. You can set a minimum and maximum. So let's say that we want our minimum to be 1400 or 1400, and then we want our maximum to be 2500. Click on apply, and it'll filter out anything else that goes a little less or above that. You could also set the number of beds and baths. So maybe we want it to be a 2 minimum with 1 bathroom minimum, and then click on apply, and then it's going to set that availability. Now you could also click on availability, and if you want the availability to be within the next 37 or 60 days, you could actually set that filter as well. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find rentals on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.